Everyone, and here is how to assemble the 3D turkey. This is the overall assembly just to get an idea. You're going to cut 2 of each of the layers for the front and the back, except for the tail and the turkey. You're going to want to glue the eyes together, and this is how you assemble the body. The red is the bottom layer. Assembling the feet is pretty easy as well, or you can just glue these together. The back or the middle layer is the brown one, the biggest one. You'll have one for the front and one for the back. Each layer is slightly smaller than the other, so you can pretty much tell how to put them together. Use the bigger foam dots, as this will allow the turkey to stand up a lot better on its own. Make sure the turkey will stand on its own as you go along. This gives you an idea of how these are offset so that they will stand. Once you've layered a couple, just stand it up and see if it will stand up by itself. Continue to layer both the front and the back. Then final layer for the back is the one with the little tail cut out. And then of course the turkey goes on the front. Attach both the front and the back with the two brown layers. Your layers may be different colors, but it is the largest of the cutouts. You should have 2, one for the front and one for the back. This is the finished front, and this is the finished back. This is the layered view. I did use the thicker foam dots so that the turkey could stand up better on its own. I hope you enjoyed making the 3D turkey, and be sure to share it with us in our group on Facebook at craftroomtime.com.